I love options. Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today I'm in the shop here with some wire strippers by Klein, and here's where you have some options. This is a regular pair of wire strippers here by Klein. It's nice, it's got the spring-loaded opening handle here with nice cushions. You can take the 632 or an 832 screw, you can screw it in here, cut them shorter. You can have the holes here to bend your wire. You have your wire stripper and you have a little bit of a tip here. We've been using these for years out in the trades. But here's the heavy duty pair. And what I like about this, it's got big robust handles. It's still spring loaded to open and close easily. You can still do the 632 and the 832. You can just screw that in as far as you need to. You can close it, cut the tip off, unscrew it, it cleans the threads. You still have the hole here that you can put your wire in to do the wire looping. It's got a nice robust cutter here that's good to cut cable, Romex wire. It's got from 18 to 8 gauge wire, both stranded and solid. But the tips here, these jaws, they're more like lineman pliers. So you can take your wire here and you can twist wire like you would with your lineman's pliers. So rather than a regular pair of strippers, it's very similar, but it's a little bit heavier. It's just got that nice jaw for wire pulling, wire twisting. So you have options. You can stay with the lighter pair that does the wire stripping if you have a pair of lineman's pliers and you don't need that. Or if you want to lighten your tool belt, have one tool to do both, this is the option for you.